Hello, mister. How are you?
Hello, Mister.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Hello everyone. Today, inshallah, we will continue talking about fractions. As we started yesterday, we studied how to compare fractions having the same numerator. Today, we gonna learn how to compare fractions using the number line. Okay, so this will be how to use the number line to compare fractions. So I need you to remember we studied how to plot action on the number line, so that if we have two fractions like this, 2/8 and 7/8, we need to plot the two fractions on the number line. So here we say that we first of all draw the number line like this, start with 0 and end with 1. The fractions are smaller than 1. So divide that between 0 to 1 into how many parts? Let me remember you. We're gonna divide in fractions. Denominator is 8. It's just 8. Down is 8, so we are dividing 8. So we divide into 8 equal parts like this. It's 4, and each one in 2 halves like this and like this. Now we have 8 equal parts. We have 8 equal parts. Let us label each mark here. So this one will be 1, the first jump, or the over 8. Second fraction is 7 over 8. We're going to circle 7 over 8. So it is obvious that we have the two fractions on the number line. We can easily say which is greater. We studied previously that if you go to right, then the number is going up, the number is increases. The number is getting more. So 7 over 8 on the number line, it is greater. So this is greater than 2 over 8. So that 7 over 8 greater than 2. We know that if we need to compare the two fractions without using the number line, we firstly look at denominator. So denominators are the same. So which is greater, 2 or 7? Of course 7. So 7 over 8 will be greater than 2 over 8. Okay, we used the number line also, so we can okay, this is an example, and we have 3 over 4 now and 1 over 4. We can divide the distance between 0 and 1. This will be 0, and this one will be 1. So 0 over 4, it will be 0. By the way, it will be 0 divided by 4 equals 0. We know that this is 0. Then we end with 1, and 1 will be 4 over 4. And we're going to divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 4 equal pieces, 4 equal parts. Each step will be 1 over 4. So 1 over 4, 2 over 4, 3 over 4, like this. We need to label, or we need to circle the two fractions, 1 over 4 and 3 over 4. And tell me now which is greater. It is obvious and it is so clear that 3 over 4 is greater than 1 over 4. And here, this is 2 over 8. 2 over 8 will be here. And 2 over 3. Yeah. They are different. So we can use the same number line. But divide it down with 8 equal parts and up with 3 equal parts. So the distance between 0 and 1, this is 1 and this is 0. We divided it down by 8 equal parts like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And up, we're gonna divide it into 3 equal parts like this. This is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. So up, we're gonna start with 1 over 3, then 2 over 3, then 3 over 3, like this. And it is obvious that 1 over 3 is greater than 2 over 8. 1 over 3 will be greater than 2 over 8, like this. As you dividing the whole distance into 3 equal parts, so that you will take 2 parts out of 3. 2 parts out of 3. I'm sorry, we said 2 over 3. It will be here. 2 over 3. So 2 over 3, of course, it will be greater than 2 over 8. So 2 over 3 will be greater than 2 over 8. And we know that from yesterday's lesson that if we have the same numerator, the same number up, fraction with fewer denominator means a greater fraction. So fewer denominator is 3. So 2 over 3 will be greater fraction. So 2 over 3 will be greater. So 2 over 3 using the number line also will be greater, will be to the right hand. So 2 over 3 is greater. Now I need to answer the first question. and I need to ensure that the number line is not the only way you can just simply answer the question without using the number line. So you just can compare. You can just compare two fractions without using the number line. You will not be enforced to use the number line. Okay, now I need to start with Taim Hazem.
Hello?
How are you, Taim?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm fine also, thank you. Taim, is my voice clear?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So, Taim, question number 1. We need to compare between 5 over 6 and the 4 over 6. So, let's circle. This is the number line. We started with 0. This is 0. And this is 1, right?
Right.
And we're going to divide the distance between them into how many equal parts?
1 minute.
How many equal parts we are dividing by? Taim.
Mister, I don't know it.
You don't know what? We are dividing, this is divided by what? The 6 in front of you. You can't read 6?
Yeah, 6.
So we are gonna divide the distance into 6 equal parts.
Yeah.
What's wrong with that? It's easy.
Okay.
So we're gonna divide the distance between 0 and 1 into 6 equal parts. Okay, so we're gonna divide it, and the first step will be 1 over 6, then 2 over 6, 3 over 6, 4, 5 over 6, 6 over 6 will be 1. Okay, which two fractions that we have to compare between?
We have 5 over 6 and 4 over 6.
Okay, so we're gonna circle the two fractions. This is 5 over 6. And in another color, with another color, we're gonna circle 4 over 6. Do you think which is greater using the number line? To right hand, it is greater. Which is to right to your right hand?
5 over 6.
Yes, 5 over 6. So 5 over 6 will be greater than 4 over 6. Is it easy or not?
Easy.
Okay, yeah, time. Thank you. Abdullah Ammar.
وانت وضع البراء.
Mister?
Mr. is not here.
Okay. يا فاروق or what? يا فاروق?
Yes.
Who have the screen?
What?
Who have the screen?
No one. No one opens the screen.
The Mister network of the Mister is very bad.
Yes.
Me and you only open صح؟
Mike. Wait a second, Abdul Qadir, please.
We will this 4 and 2. We will finish after 40 minutes.
وانت وات عبد القادر؟ عبد القادر.
Oh.
Stop.
La la la